I grew up chasing answers, feel always lined with blame. Every little difference, a whisper of my name. There's a shadow on my shoulder from a child that left unclaimed, trying hard to focus, but my mind refused to stay. Yeah, they told me I could be brilliant if I'd only play the part. But praise became an anchor, and I drowned inside my heart. Each Monday drew on me was a sign I couldn't read. I learned to chase approval, but I never felt complete. Every time I missed the mark, I felt the world let go, calling it failure, not knowing where hope should grow. Validation was a habit I carried every day, boasting to be noticed, afraid they'd look away, winning every argument to hide the trembling voice. But deep beneath performance, I hardly had a choice. If you build a house on worry, every word can break the wall. It's of seeing past the surface to learn I could let it fall. Criticism was thunder, I could barely stand the sound. But healing isn't winning, it's learning safe ground. It took years for me to notice how kindness breaks this spell. Their warmth is what they honor, and not the tales I tell. Now looking back in silence, oh, police ran wild. I find forgiveness waiting in the eyes of my inner child. Each Monday drew on me was a sign I couldn't read. I learned to chase approval, but I never felt complete. Now I draw my own line on a page that's mine. Don't need to prove my worth, just living by design. Every stray mark I've gathered is a part of who I am. And in the quiet healing, I'm learning where I stand. Yeah.